Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download applications on your Steam Deck really easily. So if you haven't been to the desktop mode, you definitely need to try this out. So hit the Steam button on your Steam Deck, and then go on down to where it says Power, and go to Switch Desktop. And it'll bring you to this screen. You can still play your Steam games through here if you really want. Steam opens up in here. But if you look in the bottom left, there's going to be this little folder called Discover. This is the software center for SteamOS/Linux, and we can go to it and we can see all the different applications that we can download on here. So some things like Firefox, Spotify, Telegram. I believe this is GIMP, GNU, VLC. We can even do like Discord, or we can get OBS. So we can download these applications through this software center, and then this is going to be installed on our Steam Deck. Now, to access these through the game mode, what we want to do is go on over to Steam and open this up. Go to Add Game. Go to Add Non-Steam Game. Maybe we downloaded Minecraft or something like that. Well, all we have to do is select it under here and go to Add Selected Program. And this will add it to the game mode. So when we switch back over to the game mode, we just tap this right here. And we want to go to Steam, go to Library, tab over using R1 and go to Non-Steam Games, and you'll be able to launch those applications you download in the desktop in the game mode. Very easy to do. Maybe you got Spotify, you can listen to your music as you're playing very easily. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.